Hi there, and welcome to this video on Master of Excel. I will demonstrate how to highlight entire rows in Excel based on a cell's value in this video. Now let's get going. I have this data set here. My goal is to draw attention to every row in which the employee's name is John Doe. I am going to use conditional formatting now to accomplish that. Allow me to choose this complete data set first. When I navigate to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting is available. I get all of these alternatives when I click on it. I am going to select New Rule, which launches the dialog box for a new formatting rule. I am going to choose to use a formula to determine which cells to format in this particular instance. This enables me to provide it with a formula which will subsequently be applied to access these cells and determine whether or not they merit being highlighted. Now this formula is evaluated for every cell in order to implement conditional formatting. The cell is highlighted or formatted with the format I'll be specifying here if the formula returns true for that cell. Additionally, the cell is not marked if the formula yields a false positive. So allow me to type the formula in this instance. And since I want to find every row in which the employee name is John Doe, the formula in this instance would be based on this column. Thus, B2 is equal to John Doe is how I would use it. Also, because this is text, John Doe is enclosed in double quotations. I'll now go into detail about the format. This Format Cell dialog box opens when I click Format and allow me to select the color that I will be used to draw attention to the rows. It will now highlight every row containing the name John Doe when I click OK. Now let me quickly explain how this works. When I use this formula, all the cells are evaluated against this formula. So let's say it is cell B2. Then B2 is evaluated based on whether the name in the same row is John Doe or not. Why? Because I have locked the column here. So for all the cells in this row, only this column cell would be evaluated because I have locked this column. Okay. So for A2 it would check whether B2 is equal to John Doe or not. For B2 it is going to check whether B2 is equal to John Doe or not, and the same for all these cells. Now when it comes down to A3, it is going to check whether C3 is equal to John Doe or not, and the same goes for all these cells. Because every cell in the same row will return true if the name is John Doe, the entire row will be highlighted. So in this case, let's say I want to highlight all the rows where the quantity sold is more than 50, which is in column D. Thus, I would choose this complete set of data, Conditional Formatting, New Rule is where I would go. Use a formula is the option I would choose. This is where I'll type the formula equal to D2 is greater than 50. Because I want every cell and every row where the quantity exceeds 50, I will now begin formatting. Any color I will choose. This is the one I'm going with. Press OK and OK. It then highlights every row with an amount greater than 50 in an instant. These are therefore basic formulas for conditional formatting that you can use to determine the value in the cell and then utilize that value to highlight the entire row. This concludes the video. I hope this was helpful to you. In addition, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would want to see additional videos from me that offer Excel advice. I'm grateful. Have a good day.